Medio? No, it's Marino KS.
That's KS. Medio is too hard. And has like little black dots on it. The fine is a little bit less. Or vice versa. You need the medio is the one that is a little bit smoother, no?
Yeah. Awesome.
It's not that thick because the metal was thicker than it was. Too hard. We need 4, right?
Yes. You know what? Do 5.
5.
Do 5.
How come?
Alright. We only need 4?
We only need 3.
Marino KS. This is the same color, but one more times 2. That means it's double the tint to make it darker. This is for industrial look. I'm doing a lobby of hotel, so it's gonna be all cement look. Then I'm gonna seal it because see how it gets dark right here. I gotta wet it because it's a stone product. It likes to absorb it, so it's important that we seal it. So we have all types of sealers. We have from shiny to matte to exterior sealers to high traffic sealers, stuff like this. A natural sealer that we like to use that's basically all natural. We have the beeswax and then we have the natural soapstone. Okay, so these particular clients wanted to go on natural, so I'm doing the natural soapstone. So the proper time when to buff your wax is when this dries back to its natural color. See the difference of color? Why? Because it gets wet. So when it gets wet, it absorbs. The main thing is controlling the product. Like I always say, you control the product, you can do wonders.